They can unite. I know they are somewhere now. They are somewhere now. Either of us, whoever is going to get the ticket, they are going to unite. And they'll unite against Wiper. Some that's our party leader. But I want to tell them, 2017, you know what you did. Now, if you want to see us in our true colors, whatever the names you call us, you will see it until we get that seat. Kwa hali na mali, we are coming to you. So, party members, pray for me. Pray for the party leader. Pray for Wavinya. Whatever it takes, we will work together. We will work together. And number two, as Wiper members, you've just told Ngatia. Yes. We cannot sit here as Wiper members without clarity. In Azimio now, we need to see clarity. Our party leader must be gazetted like others to be the number 2 flag bearer of Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya. We are no longer going to live in shadows. We want now to pull and point our barrels towards Kenya Kwisha. We all know our party leader, in fact, just like me, he sacrificed. And by him sacrificing, it's not a sign of weakness. It's not a sign of cowardice. In fact, this is a challenge to Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. You should just declare this man to be your running mate. Your running mate. To deputize you. So that some of us, as we campaign for other seats now, we can be discharged even to go to national campaigns. So that we bring this seat. I want to assure you, Wavinya, if you have a governor, if you have a president who is on your coalition, working will even be easier. Dissemination of national cake to the counties will be easier. So, Your Excellency, even you now, I challenge you. Viti hazikuji hivi hivi. Sasa lazima tuondoke miondoko ya kila kitu. Ngati even Jubilee, call your forces now. We must now call upon Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya, to declare my party leader as the deputy president of this coalition. Those few remarks, I thank all of you. Tutembe pamoja na ushindi utakuwa kwetu. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Wow. Hey, I think this guy needs a big hug. Thank you. Now, you'll all agree with me. That is my champion. Let's give him a big clap. That's wonderful. That's my champion. And you know, we are not beating about the bush, about anything. This is an open democracy. And Kenyans should not pretend they don't know the best options. So, and Kenyans are watching. They are watching. There are steps we can take which can make nonsense even of our own coalition. I don't want to say much. I want to invite Wavinya to tell us whether she accepts that generosity from Mheshimiwa Makau. And whether she will unite the people of Machakos. And whether she's going to work with these members of parliament. Now that we know. Now that we know. In these discussions, Makau did not spare his sister. Alimwambia things as they are, so that they can come up with a stronger team. One word I heard and it's stuck in my mind is attitude. Wavinya, karibu.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. God is good, and all the time, and that is his nature. Wow. To His Excellency, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, to our SG, our board members, members of parliament, MCAs who are here, our guests from Nairobi, the governor and the deputy governor, na watu wa Machakos, amjambo. Amjambo tena. I would really like to take this opportunity first to thank the party leader. The party leader has really worked very hard to bring us together. But as Makau has said, we knew he has handled bigger tasks than ours. He has handled countries and he has been able to bring them together. This was a small task for him, but for the benefit of our country and the people of Machakos County. We as the people of Machakos County really appreciate what you have done, Your Excellency. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank my able brother, Honorable Makau. Mheshimiwa Makau, don't look at him like that. We have grown up together. We have played together. Okay? And my brother, I don't take us growing up together, playing together, doing things together for granted. I want to thank you for accepting to support me. And I mean this from deep down in my heart. You are a worth competitor also. For a brother to step down for a sister is not a joke. That shows love that surpasses any other love. I want to thank you so much for that. The people of Machakos, thank you for standing by us. That we are all mixed up here, isn't it? Makau supporters and Wavinya supporters. You cannot even know who is Wavinya supporter or Makau supporter, isn't it? See, we are all here. I ask you kindly, and especially my supporters, from today on, let us work with Mheshimiwa Patrick Makau. And supporters of Mheshimiwa Patrick Makau, Mama has a big heart. Mama's heart has so many chambers. Mama's heart has so many chambers of love. We will work together to get this seat. This seat is not about Wavinya. It's not about Wavinya at all. This is about our party capturing the seat and working for the people of Machakos. So let us work together as a team. Nasema yaliondoele CP. Sini sawa? Yaliondoele CP na zipite zikienda? Si ndio? Tushikane pamoja, waheshimiwa. I know I cannot make it on my own. Waheshimiwa, tushikane waheshimiwa, tushikane na ma MCA wetu, tushikane mkono, tulete hii kiti nyumbani. And I want to assure you, when I become the governor of Machakos, I will work with you. We will walk the journey together. I will respect you as members of parliament. And I respect you, but when I become the governor, I will respect you and we work together. So I kindly ask for your support. Tutembee safari pamoja. Hii safari hakuna mtu anajiweza. Hakuna mtu anajiweza kwa hii safari. Kwa hivyo tutembee pamoja. Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, His Excellency, God bless you. There's a time I saw him at the wiper. I thought now His Excellency would just drop down anytime. He had just been overworked. It was around 7, 8 o'clock. He was still working to bring people together. What I can ask the other members that have been left without consensus, please let us make work easy for him. Let us make work easy for him, because he has a bigger task. A bigger task. And to finish, I would like to ask His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, you have walked the journey with His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. You did very well. You won in 2017. Why would you go and pick another deputy instead of the one that you won with? We, as Kamba community, we will bring you our votes. We will bring you 101% of our votes if you take His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Na najua ukifanya hivyo, hii kiti ni yetu. Mheshimiwa Raila, tutembee pamoja, tulitembea na wewe, tutembee pamoja tumalize. Fanya mahesabu yako vizuri baba. Baba, fanya mahesabu yako vizuri na ujue sisi wote tuko nyuma ya Mheshimiwa Kalonzo. Alikuja akakusupport without any condition. Roho safi, na akasema Kalonzo alisema Kalonzo tosha. Sorry. Sasa nasema Kalonzo tosha. Itakuja kwa yake tosha tu. In Jesus name. Sasa hapo msione kama mdomo imepotea. Haijapotea. Wakati wake unafanya nini? Unakuja, si ndio? Mheshimiwa Kalonzo alisema Raila tosha bila nini? Bila condition. Na sisi tunakuuliza kwa heshima uchukue Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka kama deputy president without what? Condition. Thank you so much and God bless you. Thank you the people of Machakos. God bless Kenya. God bless Machakos. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So now umesikia hayo. Ay. Sibling rivalry. Now Mheshimiwa Nzambi has just joined us, member for Kilome. So now I want to invite our visitor. I was asked a question by the chair of the elections board. What type of acknowledgement letter does she give Professor Kaloki? My answer is simple. He's given nomination as Governor Nairobi to go and negotiate with Jubilee. Sinamna hiyo? But we don't want Gatia to be scared. We hand him over to you as a very prized member of this movement. So maybe I'll ask you now, Mheshimiwa Ngatia, to salimia watu wa Wiper. We are like this, but sometimes it can be rough. Kuja tu asalimie and tell us whether you need our support as Wiper. Karibu.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the former Vice President, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, and also the party leader of Wiper, na waheshimiwa ambaye wako hapa, waheshimiwa serikali, marafiki pia. Mtaniruhusu nisiangazie zote sababu ya muda, lakini niseme leo nina furaha nikija kusherehekea na nyinyi wakati huu wa sikukuu ya Easter. Your Excellency, let me say that today I'm also very encouraged when I see two competitors actually shake hands. This is just a demonstration of unity, a demonstration of good guidance, and also a a demonstration that you're looking forward for a win-win. And it is true, we do accept, all of us, and especially, particularly within the Azimio party, we cannot be all winners. And I want us to also emulate what we have seen today as other parties within Azimio, particularly Jubilee, where I'm a life member, and also the gubernatorial aspirant, so that we can have a conversation with all the aspirants, all who are looking at being the next governor. We have a conversation and we make it easier for our leader. We make it easier for the party leader, and we make it easier for them to negotiate. We need to quickly have a sitting and have a negotiation within ourselves. Thank you. Within a conversation within ourselves, so that by the time we have that conversation, consensus, we are ready to accept what our party leader will offer to us. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not the first time that I've met His Excellency, the former Vice President, and your party leader, but I have had a sitting with him, a conversation with him in the presence of Professor Kaloki, who is also a great friend of mine. And you have seen that we have been working together, but most importantly for me is to seek your prayers and to seek your support. And I want just to refer you to the last meeting we had. It was a prayers meeting at Kangemi, where I reside and where I was born and brought up. Kangemi Kihumbwini, Your Excellency, we had a very successful prayers meeting where I had gone to seek blessings from people from Kangemi and Nairobi at large. And I can tell you, because we were together with Professor Kaloki, we had a great time. I saw your team were with us, and we celebrated, and I can tell you, we got the support. And so mine, I want to come in as the governor just for three simple things. One is good living, under which we must look at our health issues, we must look at our education, we must look at water and sanitation, we must look at garbage collection, we must look at many things within good living, we must look at affordable housing. And the second one is business environment. We must make sure that most of the people who are looking for business have a conducive environment. Those who are artisans can be able to get certification letters to show that they are able to deal with issues and can be able to participate in any competition or any tenders within the county level. Because you know very well, we have people who are plumbers, we have those who are electricians, we have automotive engineers or mechanics, we have many artisans in different sectors, but they don't have certificates, and therefore they cannot be able to compete, and they cannot be able to get opportunities or same opportunities like those who already have. And therefore that is a priority that we must look at. Affordable credit is one of the critical things that the business community are looking for, affordable credit, and also available credit as well. And the third one, and of course most important, is governance, and under which we make sure they are deliverables. We can be able to deliver the two pillars to the common mwananchi by having conversations with all of you, by opening the county for you, by making sure we have a center to get information, by making sure we have a PDU that will each and every day go out there and collect information, bring it to the leadership, and make informed decisions depending on the challenges that you're facing. Your Excellency, today was not my day to sell my manifesto, but to say congratulations for the way you've shown a great unity within Wiper. And I can say within Jubilee, we have also gotten into the period where we are also doing our nominations, and I believe the leadership will take us through consensus, and we shall be able to agree, and they shall be able to give you the results. But meanwhile, tafadhali mimi naomba kura yenu, support yenu. I know you're more than 540,000 in Nairobi. Second from Mount Kenya. Mimi nitawashikilia na tutaenda pamoja. Ndio hata nyinyi munishikilie tafadhali. Like one of our good friends Mheshimiwa said, there are a lot of attacks on my character, but we have seen God's favor, haven't we? Si ndio? Na sababu ya maombi yenu tutaendelea. Your Excellency, people even call me COVID billionaire. When I go out there, watu wananiuliza bwana situachie kitu kidogo. Those are accusations that are not valid, but I want to say I am there to support you, Your Excellency. I am there to support your party and to work with you. And I know within Azimio and all those parties, again, we shall be able to come up with an agreement where we shall have one candidate to face our opponents. May God bless you, and I believe we shall work together. Congratulations, Bona Professor Kaloki, who is my great friend. I know I shall hold your hands, but like I said, we are going to wait for our leadership of Jubilee Party to give us directions, and I believe and pray we shall be able to work together. May God bless you.
Well, thank you so much, Mheshimiwa Gavana mtarajiwa, lakini nakuhimizia kwamba maneno ninayofanya hapa sio ya kiholela, ni serious business. I'm inviting Professor Philip Kaloki now to say a word.
Wow. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Your Excellency, thank you for this great day. The governor aspirants, Wavinya Deti, Mheshimiwa, congratulations to you, together with Mheshimiwa Makau. Thank you, my friend, Mr. Gatia, Secretary General. Thank you so much also, Hagada, the chair, election board of this great party. Your Excellency, I'll be very brief. First is to appreciate this party for proposing me to be the governor candidate in this great county of Nairobi. But also, Your Excellency, as I get that nomination to negotiate, I've made your work a little bit easier, Your Excellency, and the team members present here together with the election board. We've been able to have serious discussions with Mr. Gatia, and it's also good at the moment here to declare that Mr. Gatia is going to be our aspirant for governor, Nairobi County, and he has my full support. Your Excellency, also, with that ticket, I can also have made your work a little bit easier. I have accepted to be the deputy governor for Mr. Gatia, so that we can be able to work together and move this great county forward. We've been able to discuss with, let me call him now my governor, Governor Gatia, and we've been able to have serious discussions on agenda for Nairobi. And we'll ensure that this party, Wiper, that has nominated me, will be able to work together for the great of this county. We have a clear plan, a clear agenda, and we'll be able to put our mind together, a lot of consultations, but I can assure you this county will be reformed. It is going to provide a lot of opportunities for our youth. Otherwise, let me stop there and say thank you so much for this endorsement to be the Deputy Governor of Nairobi County through the Wiper fraternity. Thank you, Your Excellency.
But for our own safety and security, You are a governor candidate. Yeah, we are very serious. We are very, wakienda kule walete kutoelewana, Kalogi tayari. That's a message. That's a message. So now, on behalf of this team, I read myself that Mheshimiwa Mbua is the treasurer. Mheshimiwa Ngatia, I know wewe uliingia Azimio zamani. That's why your own mindset is Azimio. But Azimio is a coalition political party known as Azimio la Umoja One Kenya. So put somewhere in at the corner of your brain that One Kenya is a worthy partner within this coalition political party. And we are doing a fast, even for Africa, that we have the brandest party, the newest party, I believe in Africa, a coalition political party. I congratulate President Uhuru Kenyatta because he's a chair of the Coalition Council. I congratulate my friend Raila because he's a coalition political party leader. And then I'm listed as a coalition member. So so Mheshimiwa Wambua, congratulations, because you're the treasurer. And Mheshimiwa Rose Museo is also a member of the Coalition Management Committee. That is a team that will be driving this coalition. Of course, there must be hiccups. It's expected here and there. But again, please look at this as very serious business. I saw some headline of a newspaper saying Kalonzo Musyoka cornered. I don't think it's very easy to corner Kalonzo Musyoka. It is not easy. And cornered by who? You can't corner Buffalo Soldier. Atakuovaran. So, Senator Ambua, congratulations. You are also going in unopposed within this party. And I know, if I know our people, what you have done today here will reverberate, will cut across Lower Eastern, to the coast, to the northeast, everywhere. So, even if they meet Mheshimiwa Makau Wavinya as whatever they call themselves in Machakos, they know their goose is cooked. Ni kweli si kweli? Kwa hivyo, the best thing is for them to surrender. Waache maneno. Hakuna mchezo. We're going to sweep. We plan to sweep in real terms every MCA seat mahali tumesimamisha. And I said this when I addressed our candidates at Bomas. Where we have a candidate as an MCA, a candidate as an MP, a candidate as a senator, candidate count women rep, candidate as governor. Have I left any? And of course presidential. We shall sweep by God's grace. I say this believing the same to be absolutely true, because it is said during a very, very sacred time, that of when we observe the crucifixion of our Lord and Savior. Senator Ambua, but you will not sing here. Kuja.
Ati unasema niimbe moja? Bwana u sehemu yangu, rafiki yangu wewe, katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe katika safari yangu, ntatembea na wewe. I wish each and every one of us happy Easter. Party leader, asante sana for this opportunity to address this gathering. I don't take it for granted. I am humbled. Mimi yangu atakuwa machache sana. To Mheshimiwa Makao, Mheshimiwa Wavinya, congratulations. Makao, you are my hero. What you have done today, only a gentleman can do what you've done today. Na sasa mimi nakuzungumzia kama mzee wa kanisa. It shall be well with you, my brother. You know, when you unite and you move together, Wavinya and Makao, I want to remind you the words of Moses to the people of Israel when they were fleeing captivity. Na ikafika mbali wakaona mbele yao ni shida, ni maji, nyuma yao ni Egyptians. Moses looked at the people and told them, be firm and stand still and see the salvation of the Lord. The Egyptians that you see today, you will see them no more. Nyinyi ndugu zangu na dada yangu, wale wako nyuma yenu wanataka kuwatisha, munawaona leo, kesho hamtawaona tena. I think that is enough for them. To Mheshimiwa Ngatia, Mheshimiwa Kaloki, we wish you well. We shall walk this journey together and we shall conquer Nairobi County kabisa. On the 9th of August, hiyo maneno tunamaliza. Sawa sawa. Now let's come to the issue that I want to address myself to today. And I will not mince words. I will just say it as it is. Those who receive the information will do with the information as they please. Sawa sawa. Jana mimi nimeona maneno ya ajabu sana. Party leader, I request you to just allow me today niongee roho yangu tu. Leo tu niongee tu roho yangu na iwe vile itakuwa. You know, I saw a gazette notice yesterday listing, coalition management teams, category A, category B. Sasa mimi macho yangu yalikwama kwa category A. Jina namba 3. The third name in category A of the Coalition Management Council in a list is Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta as the chair of the coalition. Number 2, ikalist Raila Amolo Odinga as the party leader and a member of the council. Number 3, ikalist His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as a member of the council. Na mimi nilikwamia hapo. Sawa sawa. I want it to be understood by everyone who cares to understand. The position assigned to His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is unacceptable. You know, those of us who have had a glimpse at what is going on in these discussions, the last time I checked, there was a position of deputy party leader and a member of the council. Iyo namba 3, iende iwekwe deputy party leader and member of the council called His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Hiyo tu. And you know party leader, I think perhaps, by the way, nimesema leo wacha mimi niongee yangu. By the way,
Maybe the problem is not even the president. Maybe the president is not even Raila Amolo Odinga. Maybe shida iko hapa chini. Hapa chini ndio kuna watu wanaleta shida hapa chini. Party leader, I ask you today, by the mercies of God, deal with the president, deal with Raila Amolo Odinga, wachia sisi hao watu wengine to deal na hawa. Because I think I have an understanding of where the problem is. Na nimesema leo, nitasema yangu. The problem in this thing, iko na watu 4 na mmoja wa 5 wameongezwa hapo. Shida iko na Alfred Mutua, governor Machakos. Shida ya pili iko na Kivutha Kibwana, governor Makueni. Mtu wa 3 anaitwa Charity Ngilu, governor Kitui. Wa 4 anaitwa Professor Makau Mutua, who speaks for Raila. Na sasa Raphael Tuju ameanza kuingilia hii maneno. I want to make it very clear that, you know what, we are not playing games. This is serious business. Na sisi tumesema party leader adil na level yake. Na level yake ni President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Hiyo period, party leader huku chini wacha. We will deal with it. Now watu, we will tell them the truth. Na tuwaambie ukweli ni kwamba they cannot be the people that stand in the way of the journey we are walking to make His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka the 6th president in 2027. That journey stands now. Sawa sawa. So that we are very clear about these things. Lastly, mimi niseme hivi, na hii si vitisho, by the way, and the media is here. If my party leader, wewe nyinyi msifikirie mtakuja kurushia watu mifupa, makombo, atutukimbia ndio tuchukue. We will not. If my party leader is not comfortable with the position that you have given him, hata hii yangu chukueni, sitaki. Yeah. We're not interested in these things. We are dealing serious business. In fact, I'll have 2 questions and I'll sit down. The first question that I'll ask myself, how is it that in a coalition government or arrangement, and we know there are 3 people at the top of the arrangement, how is it that one person appoints the executive director of the secretariat? How possible is that? How possible is that? Ya pili, how possible is it that after the principals have agreed on the number of the coalition management council, that it will be 7, how is it that one person decides to expand that number to 12? How possible is that? You know, we are not managing individual political parties. We are managing a coalition of parties. And the decision that is taken must be collegiate. It must be a decision that is agreed by the top organs of the party. Ya mwisho. Unajua sisi, wengi wetu hapa tunatoka Lower Eastern. You know, we took time to talk with Raila Odinga and the president. As a party, our party leader took time to negotiate a deal, something that can deliver services to our people. Wala wengine saa hiyo walikuwa, their only interest was to be seen taking photos with Raila. Kupiga picha na Raila tu all over na kuongea. Sasa sisi, we have come out strongly to support Raila Amolo Odinga for the position of President of the Republic of Kenya. Nyinyi muliona after Kasarani, after KICC, party leader aliongoza wengine wetu, tukaenda Tharaka Nithi County kutafutia Raila the presidency. 2 weeks ago, party leader ameongoza wengine wetu, tumeenda West Pokot, tumeenda Turkana for 3 days at our cost kwenda kutafutia Raila kiti. Kesho party leader anatuongoza, tunaenda Kajiado kutafutia Raila kiti. Hawa watu wanasema party leader asikuwe deputy president, wako wapi? Where are they? And what are they doing? So mimi nataka kumalizia hapo na niseme, the matter of the deputy party leader of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Political Party, that position belongs to Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. God bless you all.
Wow, makali hayo sio? Makali. Lisema serious business. Now I want to recognize mama moja watu wakitua muita Kavilisi. Is that correct? Simama hapo na Mheshimiwa Irene Kasalu, simameni, hug each other. Wapigwe picha. Yeah, because her name is Makumi. She was trying to vie as well for county women rep for Kitui. Lakini wakakubaliana, tuwapigie makofi. So we just wanted to appreciate that and thank you so very much. Now I call on the Madam Solite, maybe Secretary General. Secretary General will now introduce the chair of the Elections Board to just perform a very simple task. The certificates are not being given today. What is happening to the recipients is just like an acknowledgement kama ile ya bombers, but the actual certificates will begin to issue after next week. Over to you, Shakila.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Now we want to start our business. We have not started business. No, this one. This is the business which has put us together here. Thank you. I want to call upon our chair. Thank you. Now I want to call upon our chair to hand over the candidates' unopposed recognition certificates, acknowledgement receipts to the members who have been elected or rather nominated unopposed. We'll start with Wavinya Ndeti. Mimi wacha nishuke hapa chini. Mimi mtu ya mkono.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Agatha Solite. I'm the chair of the National Elections Board, and we are very, very happy to be here this afternoon. I must commend Your Excellency, our party leader. You have done a commendable job. This shows that you are the true diplomat par excellence and great negotiator, because I think this was a very, very tough job to do, and I congratulate you. I also congratulate you, Honorable Wavinya. We were with you in 2013, and I really know what you went through, so I really congratulate you, and most of all to Honorable Makau. You have shown leadership, maturity, and true loyalty to the party by the action that you did today. And as a National Elections Board, we really appreciate you. And thank you for this act. So today, what I am presenting here is not a certificate, nomination certificate. All the other aspirants know that at Bomas of Kenya, whoever was unopposed, we presented them with an acknowledgement that there is no opponent and you will not be subjected to party nominations. The certificates, or what we call nomination certificates, will be issued after next week. I'll tell you why. You all know that we're doing the party nominations in Lower Eastern. That is on the 21st of this month. That's next week. Yeah, we did Nairobi yesterday, and we also did Mombasa yesterday. And this shows how Wiper, our party, is a very peaceful party. Did anybody hear of any fracas in our nominations? Yeah, it was very peaceful. We went through the whole process, and now we are gunned up to do the Lower Eastern next week. So Let me just present this this certificate. It just reads, unopposed candidate, having applied for the Wiper Democratic Movement Party primaries, we acknowledge receipt of your documentation, and we are pleased to inform you that you qualify for nomination unopposed as governor for Machakos County. Congratulations on your nomination. We wish you victory in the August 9th, 2022 general elections. So this is what we are presenting to Honorable Wavinya Ndeti. I call upon Philip Kaloki, Honorable Philip Kituti Kaloki. This is, it says the same. It says the same. We have one. His Excellency, there's another one. Yeah, it's there.
Your Excellency,
Simame next to you.
Here we go.
This is just giving you power to negotiate.
So the same wording presented to Philip Kituti Kaloki.
Hey, makofi jamani. We're done. I think we're done.
We can give to a few others who are here.
I'll give to
Yeah. So we call upon
they're saying, and we have reported from here, yeah, it's okay, they're picking it, that Wiper Philip Kaloki exits Nairobi governor race in favor of Jubilee Richard Ngatia. That is incorrect. And then Mavoko MP, Macau, Bax Wavinya, Machakos gubernatorial bid, Eno Kwambua Ice Kitui governor.
Guys of standard, please.
I think the standard, you used to be the
I was
editor.
work there. I'm going for senator of Kitui County, not governor.
So we are
Please.
giving you that. You stay right there. We're giving,
Yeah.
giving you the right thing.
So that is the certificate to Enoch Kioi Wambua for Senator Kitui County,
While
unopposed.
I'm hoping Kitui Wiper candidates, Ambassador Kiema Kalonzo and Governor Malombe, will follow suit. Maybe I'll send Kijana Deputy Secretary General Maanzo, who has just entered, to them. Recognize Maanzo, recognize Kamene, who is also actually unopposed, Countryman Rep Machakos. This is who now?
Irene Kasalu,
Irene Kasalu.
Women's
Thank you. Women Representative Kitui County. Thank you very much. Makofi kwa Irene. Thank you. She's actually an actuarial scientist. Mesoma sana hesabu mama msichana mdogo. Nani wengine? Ya Macau for Mavoko. Mavoko. We assume, yeah? Anataka upigwa picha. Warembo wa Kitui. Makofi kwa warembo wa Kitui. Asante.
Kufikia hapo nitamuuliza organizing secretary, tafadhali closing remarks halafu tuende. Vote of thanks. Asante. Tuombe. Mheshimiwa Senator Prophetess Kavindu, tufungie kwa maombi.
Basi tutulie na tuvue kofia wanaume, tuombe. Baba, ni asanti kwa wakati mwema tumekuwa nao wa kurecognize wale ambao wamepata certificates leo. Mungu wa Israeli, tunakuomba tunapoendelea mbele, hata wale wamebaki, Mungu wa neema uwasaidie. Na Bwana, tunakabidhi party leader wetu mikononi mwako. Ukazidi kumpa hekima uliyempa Solomoni, akaweza kuongoza vyema na akaweza hata kukata rufaa vyema kwa ajili ya wale wote aliongoza. Mungu wa majeshi, tunakuomba hata naye ukampe kibali kupitia candidates, ili Bwana akaweze kupata position ili ambao anaomba ili election hizi zinaendelea za nominations, hata zile zinakuja mwezi wa 8. Bwana, tukawe na elections za amani, tukitangaza kwamba hakutakuwa na umwagikaji wa damu kwenye nchi yetu ya Kenya. Bwana, tukitangaza ya kwamba kutakuwa na amani kwa chama chetu cha Wiper, tukitangaza kwamba tutanyakua viti vingi katika Kenya mzima, hata si Ukambani peke yake. Mungu wa majeshi, tunakuomba utusikie na utujalie neema na rehema zako. Katika jina la Yesu tumeomba na kuamini. Amen.